present here in this August evening. Pune Club Limited and Usha Swapna Foundation, in collaboration with Pune Kerala Samajam, proudly presents unique thematic concert Nritya Mallar Avishkar 2014, featuring world's renowned Mohiniyattam dancer Vidushi Gopika Verma in solo Mohiniyattam dance concert with her monsoon choreographies. I hope you enjoy this evening today. Usha Swapna Foundation is a cultural organization of Mr. Pramod Joshi. This foundation gives immense exposure to classical dance and music and has been organizing Mallar Avishkar concerts since 1998. Usha Swapna Foundation is the first and the only private foundation to have concert collaboration with ICCR, Union Foreign Ministry, Doordarshan, that is our very own national TV channel, Information and Broadcast Ministry of Central Government, Odisha State Government, Culture Ministry, and Symbiosis University. Usha Swapna Foundation is blessed with council members who are senior scholars, artists, academicians, industrialists from all across the country. Mr. Pramod Joshi, Mission Director of Usha Swapna Foundation, India, believes that art and culture is the only medium to bring peace and harmony in the world, transgressing the boundaries of geography, race, and religion. History tells us economic and military power do not bind people together, but culture does. A passionate lover of Indian classical music and dance in pure form, he firmly believes that India will be cultural super soft power in the world. Mr. Pramod Joshi, a visionary, entrepreneur, and industrialist, a passionate lover of classical arts, an athlete, and a swimmer par excellence. As an engineer and entrepreneur, he has developed an automatic machine for mass production of chapatis and rotis. Very good news for all the household ladies, but however, it is only in mass production, not for household use. His pilot plant has produced 3 lakh chapatis per day and supplies to institutional clients, which include railways, defense, hospitals, and industries. As a hobby, he has organized more than 100 concerts over the last 20 years. International Dance Council, Paris, IDC, an organization of United Nations, has conferred honorable membership on Mr. Joshi in recognition of his valuable contribution to organize and promote Indian classical dance and music. I request Mr. Joshi for the welcome speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, I really wish I could give a speech, a welcome speech. Many of you know that I have been a paralytic patient with a result. My public speaking has hampered a lot. May I request our compere Vinita to speak for me? Thank you, Vinita.
On behalf of Mr. Joshi, ladies and gentlemen, as Mission Director of Usha Swapna Foundation, I welcome you all to this Nritya Mallar Avishkar concert this evening of 22nd June 2014. At the outset, I am indeed happy that managements of Pune Club and Pune Kerala Samajam have wholeheartedly collaborated with my foundation to organize this concert. On behalf of you all and Usha Swapna Foundation, I thank Mr. Rajiv Sangtani and his team and Mr. Madhu Nair and his colleagues for total cooperation in the event management. My special thanks goes to our sponsor, Lion Fatehchandji Ranka. He is out of India, yet his big heart is with us. Ladies and gentlemen, first mission of Usha Swapna Foundation is to preserve and nurture Indian classical music and dance. And second mission is to win millions of hearts worldwide with Indian culture. As a part of first mission, we have been organizing thematic concerts like Malhar Avishkar since 1998. Malhar Avishkar is expression of Malhar Rag, of vocal, instrument, and dance. We have 3 vocal, 3 instrument, and 3 dance concerts, usually on 11th, 12th, and 13th August every year. Innovative themes like Mia Bivi Ka Malhar, Ek Parivar, Ek Malhar, Yuva Malhar, and regional themes like Karnataka Malhar, Odisha Malhar, Pune Malhar, and now Rajasthan Malhar have mesmerized Pune audience since 1998. Nritya Malhar Avishkar began with solo Odissi dance by Sujata Mohapatra in 2012, and now solo Mohiniyattam dance by Gopika Varma. Solo dance or Ekal Nritya gives the dancer opportunity to give total freedom to express her skills and her best to the discerning audience. I will continue to support pure solo dance. Vidushi Gopika Varma is leading soloist. Her mesmerizing performance is appreciated all over the world. I am obliged she accepted my invitation to perform in Pune. For the first time, our compeer Vinita will present her formal introduction soon. Ladies and gentlemen, our second mission is to win millions of hearts worldwide with Indian culture. To accomplish this ambitious mission, we have planned live Indian culture program for global citizens. I will dwell on this if time permits later. I would suggest you all to visit our website www.ushaswapnafoundation.org for full details on this program. My special thanks to all of you for being with us for sublime meditative experience of classical dance and Mohiniyattam in ultimate bliss. My team of Shrikant Pote, Pradeep Mali, Jayant Tatte, Chetan Lokhande deserve special applause. Doordarshan team, led by Mrs. Mohanty and Mr. Chopde, will take Malhar Avishkar to national and international audience. They have been part of Malhar Avishkar for years. Thanks to them.
Thank you.
Thank you. A round of applause for our great entrepreneur and a great lover of Indian culture. Gopika Varma. The ancient Travancore royal family has been famed down the age for its patronage of the fine arts. Vidushi Gopika Varma is married into the family to Prince Purutadi Tirunal Martanda Varma, descendant of Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Mrs. Vanaja Nair, her maternal grandmother, initiated her to learn Mohiniyattam. Gopika started learning Mohiniyattam at the age of 10 from Srimati Girija and Srimati Chandrika Kurup, both senior students of Srimati Kalyanikutti Amma, whose student she continued to be for 10 years. Later, she specialized in the art form under the able guidance of Srimati Kalyanikutti Amma herself and her daughter, Srimati Sridevi Rajan. She was also fortunate to learn Abhinaya, which is the quintessence of Mohiniyattam, from Sri Kalamandalam Krishnan Nair, the doyen of Kathakali sage. She has gleaned a wealth of knowledge and professional training in the Sopana style of performance from Sri Kavalam Narayana Panikar, a veteran of Indian theoretics. Gopika has performed extensively at various art festivals, sabhas, and temples nationwide and internationally. Her Mohiniyattam is marked by extreme grace and fluidity of movement, transmitting radiance through movements and expression that at times sigh with nostalgia, purity, and sanctity. while being blessed with geometrical precision and technical finesse. Presently, Mrs. Gopika Varma is running a Mohiniyattam dance school named Dasyam at Adiyar, Chennai, with a vision to promote and develop Mohiniyattam dance outside Kerala. Dasyam Swati Nirtolsavam, consequently for the past 5 years, has organized Swati Tirunal Festival, inviting various dancers from all dance forms all over India to perform. Srimati Gopika Varma, as a professional performer and teacher, has received various awards nationally and internationally. To name a few, Kalai Mamani from Tamil Nadu government and Nritya Chudamani from Krishna Gana Sabha. I thank her on behalf of all of us for gracing this occasion today. Usha Swapna Foundation would like to felicitate this artist. I call upon Mrs. Gopika Varma to please come to the stage, and I would request Shri Pramod Joshi to please do the honors. A huge round of applause for the great artist. I now request Shri Madhu Nair, President Pune Kerala Samajam, and General Secretary Shri George Abraham to kindly come to the stage. I first request Shri Madhu Nair, President Pune Kerala Samajam, to please grace us with a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Pune Kerala Samaj, I welcome all of you to this grand evening today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Usha Swapna Foundation and Pune Club for giving Pune Kerala Samajam an opportunity to be part of this initiative, which would showcase a very important part of Kerala traditional art, Mohiniyattam. Pune Kerala Samaj is the oldest Samajam in Pune, started in 69 years back, involved in various social and cultural activities, and we are very proud to be part of this program today. We are pleased to have Mrs. Gopika Varma, well-renowned Mohiniyattam dancer, here with us today. Ma'am, welcome to Pune, the cultural capital of Maharashtra. Ma'am, welcome to Pune. We would like to felicitate Gopika ji. I request today our lady members of Pune, our Samajam to do the honor. Thank you and hope you all enjoy the evening.
I request Samajam members, Mrs. Uma Nair, Mrs. Sarsama Vijay Kumar, Mrs. Padma Shashidharan, and Mrs. Jayanti Nair to kindly come ahead and felicitate Mrs. Gopika Varma. Louder, louder, audience. We definitely have some energy. Usha Swapna Foundation would like to felicitate renowned artists who have taken time from their busy schedule today and made it to this evening. I request Guru Swati Daitankar to please come to the stage and honor us. Thank you so much for being here, ma'am. I request Shri Pramod Joshi to kindly do the honors. Thank you for joining us. We now begin with the much-awaited event for this evening, the Nritya Mallar Avishkar 2014. I hope you all enjoy this evening today. Thank you. Her performance, Chitrangam, an invocatory performance in Mohiniyattam, choreographed by Kalamandalam Sugandhi.
गं गणपतये गं गणपतये नमो नमः चामरकर्ण तेयतं गजमुखदेव तकिटतं एकदन्त तजं लम्बोधरने तुं दधिं दतं गौरी शङ्कर तनय गं गणपतये नमो नमः नमो नमः नमो नमः दत्तम्
Can you give me a mic here? Shri Padmanabha Swami Tripadame Gadi Satgurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram to all. Pune is always a pilgrim destination for us on our way to Shirdi. And it's very privileged moment for me to perform here for the first time. I was invited to do a lecture demonstration last month by the famous Kathak dancer Shema Bhate to introduce Mohiniyattam. And this evening is being designed out of that workshop, thanks to Joshi ji. I will move on to today's next item. I have chosen one of the famous Ashtapatis by Jayadeva. Even though Ashtapati was born in Puri, it has traveled many, many years ago to Kerala, the other end of the country. Those days, we don't have internet, telephone, no technical support. Without that, a culture traveled to Kerala. And I think I can be very proud that Ashtapatis, Jayadeva's Gita Govinda, is predominantly used by all the Kerala temples, especially Vaishnava temples. Swami is put to sleep by singing Ashtapatis. Swami is Palli Unarthal, wake up Swami by singing Ashtapatis in the Sopanam style of music. I have chosen a very famous Ashtapati, Chantana Charchida Neela Kalepara Pita Vasana Vanamali. In Jayadeva's Ashtapati, we have three characters, Radha, Krishna, and Sakhi. All the Ashtapatis are either the conversation between Radha and Sakhi, Radha and Krishna, Sakhi and Krishna, or Krishna and Radha. Here, this is a conversation between Sakhi and Radha. Sakhi looks for Radha and sees her very upset. And she asks Radha that, why are you upset? And she tells that my Krishna has not come to me. Sakhi promises Radha that I will look for Krishna and bring him to you. And Sakhi goes looking for Krishna and sees him on the banks of river Yamuna. And Sakhi tells Radha that you don't have to be so upset that look at Krishna there. He's happy, having a happy time with other gopikas. Look at him, one gopika, placing her bosoms on his face, pretending that she is singing for him. And he's enjoying it. Look at him. At the same time, another gopika
calls him in the midst of other gopikas and tells him to come separately with her. At the same time, another gopika tells Krishna that you play the flute and let me give you the syllables with my bangles. Radha, your Krishna is happily dancing with other gopikas and you are upset here. Chandana Charchita Neela Kalebara Pita Vasana Vanamali. That Krishna who has Chandana adorned on his blue color body. He has Pitambara. He has Vanamala. Keli Chalanmani Kundala Mandita. Ganta Yugasmita Shali. When he laughs, his jumkas, kundalas, comes and kisses his cheeks. He is so happily laughing and dancing with other gopikas. Look at him. Chandana Charchita Neela Kalepara Pita Vasana Vanamali.
चंदन चर्चित नीलकलेबर पीतवसन वनमाली चंदन चर्चित नीलकलेबर पीतवसन चंदन चर्चित नीलकलेबर पीतवसन वनमाली 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 चंदन चर्चित नीलकलेबर नीलकलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली चन्दन चर्चित 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 नीलकलेवर पीतवसन वनमाली केली चलमणि कुण्डलमण्डित खण्डयुग स्मितशाली केली चलमणि कुण्डलमण्डित खण्डयुग स्मितशाली हरि इह मुग्ध वधू निकरे राधे विलासिनी विलसति केली परे राधे हरि इह मुग्ध वधू निकरे राधे विलासिनी विलसति केली परे राधे हरि इह मुग्ध वधू निकरे राधे वीण पयोधर भार भरेण हरिं परिरभ्यस पीन पयोधर भार भरेण हरिं परिरभ्यस गोपवधूरनु गायति काचिनु तञ्चित पञ्चम रागो गोपवधूरनु गायति काचिनु तञ्चित पञ्चम रागो हरि इह मुग्ध वधू निकरे राधे विलासिनी विलसति केली राधे राधे कापि विलास विलोल विलोचन खेलन जनित मनोजं कापि विलास विलोल विलोचन खेलन जनित मनोजं ध्यायति मुद वधूरधिकं मधुसूदन वदन सरोजो ध्यायति मुद वधूरधिकं मधुसूदन वदन सरोजो हरि इह मोद वधू निकरे राधे विलासिनी विलसती केली परे राधे हरि इह मोद वधू निकरे राधे विलासिनी विलसती केली परे राधे हरि इह मोद वधू निकरे राधे करतल ताळ तरळ वलयावली कलित कळ स्वरवंचे करतल ताळ तरळ वलयावली कलित कळ स्वरवंशे रासरसे सह नृत्य परा हरिनायुवती प्रशंसे
I will move on to a very special item. This is written by Vishwakavi Ravindranath Tagore. Last year, we celebrated 150th anniversary of Vishwakavi. And it is Malayalam which has translated Vishwakavi in the very early stage. G. Shankarakurup, renowned poet of Kerala, has translated almost all the poetries of Vishwakavi. Karnabharam, the famous Kathakali play, is also translation of Mahakavi Ravindranath Tagore. I have chosen Ahalya. We all know Ahalya, who was punished for the for the mistake of hers. Here, Ahalya turned to a stone, and Kavi asked her that, is only your body which has turned to the stone, or what happened to your mind? None of us have thought about her mind. We all know that she has turned to the stone. But what happened to her mind? Is she still beating? The heart is still beating. Or with the body, heart has also turned to stone. And Kavi asked her, Indra cheated you and you were punished. And when you became the stone, what happened to the rasas within you? Every woman is pregnant with emotions. What happened to your emotions? Laughter, your sorrows, your shringara, all the rasas within you, what happened? Seasons come and go. And every season leaves an impact on a woman. Lady's body react to every season. What happens within you? Your outer body is stone, but what happens within you when the seasons come and go? Are you aware that seasons come and go? Still, you are waiting for another man to come and give you the Shaba Moksham. Why don't you peacefully sleep in the laps of Mother Earth? Ahalya by Vishwakavi Ravindranath Tagore.
സ്വപ്നത്തിൽ നിലീനയാ നീയകൽകി ഹാശിലാമണിയായ പോവാട ഛായയിലേതെല്ലാം സ്വപ്നത്തിൽ നിലീനയായി സന്തോഷ സന്താപാതി क्षुब्धगर्जनाक्रन्त संरावम् सन्तोषसन्दापादि क्षुब्धगर्जनाक्रन्त संरावं सङ्ख्यातीत संझार पदन्यासं शाभनिद्रये विभञ्जिचये त्रये विभञ्जिच्चये क्षणं तोरुम् आपत्तिकारिणल्ले निन् कर्णपुडङ्गळि आपत्तिकारिणल्ले निन् कर्णपुडङ्गळि अन्तमिल्ला तोरलिल् शैत्यतिल स्मरणगल वसन्तं 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 ग्रीष्मं शरदा वर्षं 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 शिशिरं शिशिरम् अन्तमिल्ला तोरलिल् शैत्यतिल स्मरणगल अन्तरङ्गतिल तीरे मायुमा निकेततिल उरङ्गि किडन्नु നീ കൂട്ടമായോരാ പള്ളിയരയിൽ ജനനീ തൻ മാറിലിത്രയും കാലം ഉറങ്ങിക്കിടന്നു നീ ഗൂഢമായോരാ പള്ളിയരയിൽ ജനനീ തൻ മാറിലിത്രയും കാലം ജനനീ जननी जननी जननी
I will move on to the main item of this evening. Maharaja Swati Tirunal of Travancore has written many Sringara Padams, and his Padavarnams are very famous. But he has also written in many languages. And especially bhajans are very popular. Hindustani bhajan. He has written in 18 languages. Sitting in Travancore. He has never traveled beyond Travancore. In this bhajan, he tells that, "O mind, travel to Kashi if you want the darshan of Vishveshwara. Vishveshwara darsana kar chalu man tum Kashi. O mind, travel to Kashi if you want the darshan of Vishveshwara. And you have to go with prema sahita, with compassion. Go to Kashi with compassion. And there, he is managing the cycle of birth and death. And he also says that in the Charana that Gangama flows through the city of Varanasi like pure milk. And here I have taken an artistic liberty to explain the Ahangara Garva Nasham of Ganga. Bharata goes to Ganga and requests her to descend to the earth And she asked him, "Where will I descend? Who can carry me? And where will which place can carry me?" He goes to Shiva and requests him, and Shiva asks her to jump onto him, and how he destroys the Ahankaram of Ganga. In the last charanam, this particular bhajan was written at the time of Bhakti moment, where lot of conflict was going on between Shaivism and Vaishnavism. So Swadatirunal, Maharaja Swadatirunal describes Padmanabha Kamala Nayana, Trinayana Maheshwara. Both are same. Padmanabha Kamala Nayana, Trinayana Maheshwara. Pray to the Supreme God. Vishweshwara Darsanakara Chalamana Tumakashi. This item is a very special place in me. I lost both my parents together. And when I went to Kashi, I could experience what Maharaja had written. I have heard Shamangudi Srinivas Iyer singing this bhajan many times at Navaratri Mandapams of Travancore. At that time, my mother-in-law, Princess Gauri Lakshmi Bai, she told me that Maharaja has never traveled outside Travancore and he has written this sitting in this Kudra Malika. So I used to wonder, how can you write a Sthala Puranam? How can you write a travelogue without visiting that place? You can write fiction, you can write a novel, but not a travelogue. But when I visited Kashi, I could experience the bhakti can take you to any extent. What I experienced there, I translated into my dance. This is the greatest blessing of an artist, that all our emotions are translated into our art. This item I have never choreographed. It is my manasika avastha. The mental state within me is being portrayed in this dance. Vishweshwara Darsanakara Chalamana Tumakashi. I am sure you all will travel with me to Kashi.
दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी चल मन तुम कैसे विश्वेश्वर दर्शन करे चल मन तुम कैसे विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब नो पागो प्रेम संगीता विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब नो पागो प्रेम संगीता विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब नो पागो प्रेम संगीता काठे करुणा निधान जनन मरण पासे काटे करुणा निधान जनन मरण पासे जनन जनन मरण फांसी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन चल मन तुम कासे विश्वेश्वर दर्शन चल मन तुम कासे विश्वेश्वर दर्शन चल मन तुम कासे विश्वेश्वर बहती जाके पूरी बहती जाके पूरी गंगा पई के समान बहती जाके पूरी गंगा पई के समान गंगा गंगा पई के समान 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 गंगा गंगा पई के समान गंगा पई के समान गंगा गंगा पई के समान गंगा पई के गंगा पई के समान गंगा पई के समान गंगा 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 पई के समान गंगा 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 पई के समान गंगा पई के समान 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 गंगा गंगा पई के समान गंगा पई के समान गंगा पई गंगा पई के गंगा पई के समान गंगा 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 पई के समान ठाट ढाट भर रहे सन्यासी वाके तड़ ठाट घाट भर रहे सन्यासी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम चल मन तुम कासे विश्वेश्वर 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 पद्मनाभ कमल नयन पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयना शंभो महेश पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयना शंभो महेश भादुरे विनादो स्वरूप रगिए अविनाशी भजले विनादो स्वरूप रगिए अविनाशी दर्शन चल मन तुम कासी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम कासी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम कासी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चलो मन तुम कासी चलो मन तुम कासी चलो चलो तुम
I'll conclude today's recital with a very famous Ayyappa Kirtana, Harivarasanam. When I came to Pune, the first news I got is from the Malayali Association friends is that we have a very old Ayyappa temple very close to this club. And I'm so happy that all over, from everywhere, we have bhaktas coming to Kerala to get darshan of Shabarimala Swami Ayyappan. I will be concluding with Harivarasanam. I like to thank Usha Swapna Foundation, and we have a very special Rasika today. And Usha Swapna Foundation, and also the Kerala Samajam of Pune. When I came for workshop, I came to know that there are many, many Malayalis here in Pune, and I'm so happy that Joshi sir was kind enough to make them also part of this evening, and I am happy that I have people from my state to watch me. I thank every one of you for being here today. Harivarasana.
हरिवरासनं विश्वमोहनं हरिततीश्वरम् आराध्यपादुकं हरिवरासनं विश्वमोहनं हरिततीश्वरम् आराध्यपादुकम् हरिविमर्दनं नित्यनर्दनं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये हरिविमर्दनं नित्यनर्दनं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणकीर्तनं शक्तमानसं भरणलोलुपं नर्तनालसं शरणकीर्तनं शक्तमानसं भरणलोलुपं नर्तनालसम् अरुणभासुरं भूतनायकं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये अरुणभासुरं भूतनायकं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा तुरगवाहनं सुन्दराननं वरगदायुधं वेदवर्णितं तुरगवाहनं सुन्दराननं वरगदायुधं वेदवर्णितं गुरुकृपाकरं कीर्तनप्रियं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये गुरुकृपाकरं कीर्तनप्रियं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा श्रितजनप्रियं चिन्तितप्रदं श्रुतिविभूषणं साधुजीवनं श्रितजनप्रियं चिन्तितप्रदं श्रुतिविभूषणं साधुजीवनं स्मृतिमनोहरं गीतलालसं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये स्मृतिमनोहरं गीतलालसं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा 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 स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा हरिहरसुतने शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा हरिहरसुतने शरणमय्यप्पा हरिहरसुतनानन्द चित्तनयनय्यप्प स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामिये 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 स्वामिये
I like to thank my little friend Vinita for all her help. Thank you.
We'll facilitate our today's master of ceremony, Vinita Arun. She is also a Mohiniyattam dancer.
With this, we conclude our program today. I hope you all enjoyed this evening. A very big thank you to Mrs. Gopika Varma to have come here and graced us with her beautiful dance. Thank you all for coming in and being patiently seated throughout the performance. I request all the Samajam members and office bearers to please come to the stage for some photo shoots.